friends! I'm Lily the Ladybug, and today we're going to learn how to grow a garden. First, we need to choose what to plant. Do you want to grow vegetables, flowers, or both? Vegetables like carrots, tomatoes, and beans are great for healthy snacks. Flowers like sunflowers, daisies, and marigolds add color to our garden. Next, we need to prepare the soil. This means making sure it's nice and soft so our plants can grow strong roots. Use a shovel or your hands to break up any big clumps of dirt. Add compost to make the soil rich and healthy. Now it's time to plant our seeds. Make a small hole in the soil with your finger. Put the seed in the hole, cover it with soil, and give it a little pat. Don't forget to label what you planted. Seeds need water to grow. Use a watering can or a gentle hose to water the soil. Be careful not to flood it. Keep the soil moist, but not too wet. Check your garden every day to see if it needs more water. Now we watch and wait. Plants take time to grow, so be patient and keep taking care of them. You'll start to see little sprouts popping up from the soil. It's so exciting. As your plants grow, they need a little help from you. Remove any weeds that try to take their space and check for pests. If you see any bugs that shouldn't be there, gently move them away. Your plants will thank you. When your vegetables and flowers are big and strong, it's time to harvest them. Pick them carefully and enjoy the fruits of your labor. You can eat the vegetables or use the flowers to decorate your home. It's quiz time. What should you do first before planting seeds? Prepare the soil by loosening it and adding compost. How do you plant your seeds? Make a small hole in the soil with your finger. Put the seed in the hole, cover it with soil, and give it a little pat. How much water you should use? Keep the soil moist but not too wet. Great job, little gardeners. Thanks for joining me on this gardening adventure. Remember, growing a garden takes time, patience, and love. Happy gardening, everyone! See you next time on Kids Learn and Tales TV.